In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a calendar system in Clickup. Managing your tasks and projects can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with Clickup's calendar view, you can create a clear and organized system to stay on top of everything. Whether you're planning your week, mapping out a big project, or simply scheduling reminders, this step-by-step guide will help you build a functional and efficient calendar system using Clickup. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of this powerful tool. First, start by logging into your Clickup workspace. If you're not already signed up, you can use the link in the description to create your free account and follow along with this tutorial. Once you've logged in, locate the project you want to organize. This is the project where you'll set up your calendar system using Clickup's Trident calendar system. When you've found your project, click on the View option within that project. This will bring up all the different ways you can visualize your tasks and activities. From there, select the Calendar view. The calendar view is an excellent way to organize your tasks and events by date, making it easier to see everything at a glance. Now that you're in the calendar view, click on any date within the calendar to add an event or activity. For example, if you have a deadline on the 15th, simply click on that date to start creating your entry. Once you've selected a date, it's time to enter the details for your event. Be sure to include a clear description of the task or activity, the specific time it's set for, and any reminders you might need. This will help you stay on track and ensure that no detail slips through the cracks. Repeat this process for all the additional events and activities you want to include. You can add as many events as you need to fully map out your schedule. If you're working on a large project, it's a good idea to break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For each step, create a separate calendar event. This way you can track your progress and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the scope of the project. Once you've added all your events and tasks, take a moment to review your completed calendar. Look for any busy or overlapping periods that may need adjustment, and make sure all your priorities are scheduled appropriately. This review step is crucial for ensuring that your calendar is both realistic and effective. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.